Let's fix call failed on your iPhone. Now head into the phone app, tap on the keypad, and tap on star hashtag 31 hash and hit call. Now check it after that to see if it works. If that doesn't work, the next thing you can do is swipe down from the top right, turn on airplane mode, and then wait a few seconds and turn it back off. If that doesn't work, let's head into the settings and tap on cellular. And next to turn on this line, we'll disable your eSIM and then just go back in there and turn the eSIM back on to enable the line and connect to your carriers. After we've done that, let's just go all the way back here, scroll to the bottom, tap on apps, and then scroll down until we find the phone app. So find phone, I think I passed it, there it is. And then we're gonna scroll down to call forwarding, make sure this is turned off, and then go back out here and go to Wi-Fi calling, make sure this is turned on so you can use Wi-Fi to call as well. If none of these work, the last thing I would recommend doing is going to the very beginning, tapping on general here, scrolling to the bottom, hitting transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and then hit reset network settings. Go through this process and it should reset all of those network settings associated with your phone and make you basically able to make calls after all those are brought back to the factory defaults.